You are a company struggling to develop your budgets using spreadsheets. The problem is all departments are submitting their budget spreadsheets separately, which you need to compile as a single budget for higher management. This process consumes a great deal of time and increases risk of error. That's why we at Smart Milestones introduced Supple, a budgeting and forecasting application. Think of it as a very flexible budgeting tool which lets you develop your corporate budget in an effective and timely manner with spreadsheet experience. Users will be filling the online spreadsheet and data will be saved in encrypted database format. Supple allows you to configure your corporate budget via hierarchical structure and give permission to users according to required hierarchical nodes. You can also link external data from third-party applications like ERP to the spreadsheet columns. For example, you can show the actual amounts from General Ledger. These sheets can be downloaded as Excel files as well. Snapshots of a budget is a data point of time and can be used for data retrieval later on. Plan out your budget like the pro that you are. Contact us at www.smartmilestones.com for any query or check out our trial version now.